Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about extracting text. In previous lessons we have studied about concat and concatenate, which we could combine the text with. But here we are going to extract the text. So we have here three functions, which is left, right and mid. Here I'm going to extract the floor here, the room number here and the wings here. So I'm going to start from here. First one, I should put equal sign. After that I type left. After that the text, I should select this and comma. After that the number of characters. Here I need 2. 0, 2. I have 2 characters here, which is floor 2, and I just type 2 here, close the bracket and enter. I just double click here. You can see that I have this floor 2, floor 1 and floor 3. I have extracted it successfully. Now I want to extract the room number. Now it is located here to the right side. I use the right function, equal right, and I select the text, comma. Now I have here 4 characters, 5, 3, 6 and 2. Just write 4, close the bracket and enter. You can see I just double click here, it works just fine. And here I should find the wing, which is the west wing or the north wing. It is located at the middle of my text. I should use the mid text, the mid function, equal sign mid, and I select this and comma. Here this one is a little bit tricky, and here I should find the start number. Here I have 0, I have 2 and hyphen, which is 1, 2, 3, and my number will start at 4. I should type here 4, comma. Once again 0 here. 0 is 1 character, 2 is 2 and hyphen is 3 and W start from 4. I should type the start number, which is 4. After that I just count WEST, which is 4 characters, and just write 4 again, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works just fine. Just double click here. You can see it is almost fine. It's not completely true, because you can see here north, I don't have the H here, I miss the H. So that is another function which is find. In the next video I will work on that. So for today that's it. We have learned 3 functions, which is left, right and mid. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.